Hi students, I am Dr. Choudhri, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics working in RMD Engineering College. In this video, we are going to discuss about probability and statistics. Here, I choose the topic statistical quality control. In statistical quality control, we are going to use two types of chart. One is X bar chart and R chart. Based on this, we have to define whether data are in control or not. Okay. Let us see one example. 10 inspection lots of 5 amplifiers, each are drawn from a production. The following table lists the average life and range of the power output obtained for each amplifier. Construct X bar chart and R chart. Comment on the state of control of the process. Okay. So what are the sample? Sample 1, average mean value 11.0. Sample 2, 12.0. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 number of samples are there. The corresponding average values here. And the range also given for sample 1, 4, for sample 2, 4, up to for sample 10, 6. Okay, so what are the types of data are given? Okay, just I give one explanation. 10 inspection lots. So there are 10 samples of 5 amplifiers. For example, amplifier, maybe you may take one example, Sony company. Okay, so the Sony company visited 10 branches. Okay, in the 10 branches, consider the branches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. From the 10 branches, they have taken randomly 5 amplifiers. Okay, from the 10 branches, they have taken 5 amplifiers for testing. Okay, so from the check that average life 11, okay, maybe the 11 years or 11 months or 11 hours or something, etc. Okay, so mostly 11 years. Okay, suppose 11 months also may be possible. Okay, so 11.0, 12.0. So 11 for 5 amplifiers average mean 11. Like that for second branch up to 10th branch, they list out these mean values. Okay, also they check that range. Okay, the range also obtained from the 5 amplifiers from the every branches 4 up to 6. Okay, so they have sent the report the data and submitted to the CEO. Okay, now CEO have decided whether 10 branches have run properly or not, whether the 10 branches are run in our control or not. Okay, so how we are going to check whether these are in under control or not? Let us check. Solution. Here number of samples n equal to 10. Okay, each samples having sample size n equal to 5. So 10 branches, each 10 branches have taken 5 amplifiers, that is sample size n equal to 5. So we are going to find X bar means from one branch what is the range. X double bar na all the average. So average of average, that is X double bar equal to 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n xi bar. Okay, so let me tell you how we define this value. See the sample 1 to 10, that is n equal to 10, and sum of all the average value 11.0 plus 12.0 plus 12.8 plus 14.0 plus 13.6 plus 12.8 plus 11.8 plus 12.9 plus 13.0 plus 11.8. Adding these values, you may get 125.7 divided by 10, that is 12.57. That is average of average. Okay, now average of range. 4 plus 6 here comes 14, 18, 24, 29, 34, 40, 44, 50. So 50 divided by 10 equal to 5. So X double bar value equal to 12.57, R bar equal to 5. Okay. Now from the table of control chart constants for sample size n equal to 5, we have A2 equal to 0.577, D3 equal to 0 and D4 equal to 2.114. So the table value given in during exam also, you no need to worry about that. So for X bar chart and R chart, these values will be used to get the result. Here the sample size, so n equal to 5. So where it is n equal to 5. So for A2 value, for sample n equal to 5, 0.577. For D3 value, for sample size n equal to 5, 0. And D4 value 2.114 for sample size n equal to 5. Okay. And these are the already data we found. Now we have to find control limits for X bar chart. So control limiter and control line formula X double bar equal to 12.57. CL means control line, and upper control limit line or upper control line. Okay, X double bar plus A2 into R bar. X double bar value 12.57 plus A2 value we found 0.577 into 5, because R bar value equal to 5. What is the answer? 15.455. Okay, and lower control limit line or LCL, X double bar minus A2 into R bar. Substitute here, you may get the value 9.685. Next term, control limits for R chart. So what is the formula? Control limit line or control line equal to R bar equal to 5, and upper control limit line or UCL equal to D4 into R bar, that is 2.115 into 5 equal to 10.575, and the lower control limit line D3 value is 0 only, so answer 0. Now we draw the chart. Okay, take this x-axis as a sample size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 11, 12, 13 only for just mentioning here, but here the given data, given sample only 10. Okay, and see here, first X bar chart, it is indicates that mean values or average values. For sample 1, 11.0 and the highest value equal to 14.0. Here what is UCL? 15.4 and central line 12.5 and LCL equal to 9.685. Okay, va? So take this units 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. If I am taking limit unit 4, couldn't mention the dots properly. So 2 units may be better. Okay, va? Right. For sample 1, 11 here. For sample 2, 12. For sample 12, so 2, 12. And sample 3, 12.8. For this is sample 3, 12 is here and 14 is here. So value comes between this only, between 12 and 13. So 12.8. And 4, 14.0. For sample 4, 14.0. For sample 5, 13.6. So 13.6 located between 12 to 14. So sample 5, see 13.8. And sample 6, 12.8. Sample 6, 12.8. Already we have indicated that. And sample 7, 11.8. 11.8. Between 11 and 12. And sample 8, 12.9. So already we denote 12.8. Just mention above that 12.8. Okay. Now for sample 9, 13. Between 12 and 14. So sample 9 value 13 here. And sample 10, 11.8. So draw all the lines. Clear. Draw all the lines. It's clear. So here all the points and comes and between UCL and LCL. So the process is in control. Okay. Now CEO will be happy because for the all the 10 branches. Okay. So if the people are more happy, they may raise the increment based on that category. Okay. Next, R chart. So for the 10 samples and take corresponding range value. So here values are highest value 10, lowest value 4. So you may take this unit 1 itself, that's enough. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 13. So 10 is enough. So for extra points 11, 12, 13. Okay. Now sample 1, 4. So x-axis sample values, y-axis range values. For sample 1, 4 exact. Sample 2, 4. Sample 3, 6. Sample 4, 4. Sample 5, 6. Sample 6, 5. Sample 7, 5. Sample 8, 6. Sample 9, 4. And sample 10, 6. Okay. So the graph comes under UCL and LCL. Okay. So here also the process is in control. So now the CEO is very happy about 10 branches. So all may have done the some category. So what's our now come to this conclusion. So all the sample points in the mean and range chart lie within the control limit. Hence the process is under control. Now CEO is very happy about all the 10 branches. Now he no need to take any action for the 10 branches because the process is in control. If it is the process is not in control, he may take any action. Okay, thank you.